Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will show you how to send Monopoly Go link on Facebook. Now, yes, you can actually share your Monopoly Go link with other people on your social media accounts. Now, first of all, what you want to do is you want to basically go to Monopoly Go and you can invite friends in 3 different ways. As you can see, this is first way, right? So what you want to do is you can invite friends in Monopoly Go via contacts, right? You go to Monopoly Go and tap on friends button, and then you will see friends and family section here. You can select add friends tab and then tap on contacts and then press add contacts button. And basically here you will be able to go and add friends via your contacts. The same way you can do on Facebook, but if you just want to go and if you want to invite people via share link, then what you can do is you can open the game and go to the friends section from the bottom right. From there, you can choose the add friends option. Now from there, you can select invite and send invite links through any social or message app. So this is what you want to do, right? Because here you will be able to send Monopoly Go link on Facebook or on any social or message app such as WhatsApp, Telegram. You will be able to do that, and then once your friends have the link, all they have to do is tap on the link, download the game and make their account, and then they can use your link and you will automatically get them in your friends list. That's how easy it is. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This is basically all about Monopoly Go. If you wanna, you can check out our channel for more Monopoly Go tutorial videos. Thank you guys for watching.